We will see a structure of loop, and basically actually it's core of loop, whatever going on inner side of loop whenever you want to run your workflow. Let's move on. That's basically after you understand the core of loop, you will able to check single column of your Google Sheet. Let's move on. First here a Google Sheet, and put here loop on data, loop break, condition. I'll connect with the loop and then put here loop through Google Sheet. See here it's a reference key. If it's not available, just go into your Google Sheet and put a reference key and then move on loop data. Put here reference key for your Google Sheet and then go on to your workflow. For move on, I'll show you structure of loop. So I'll put here just condition and then connect this loop. Off of it, I'll put here debug mode and then save this workflow. Now I run this workflow. As you can see here, it's a loop data. Inner side of loop data, here loop ID, here index and data. And you can see here structure of your data. There's a core of loop, and now I'll show you how to put condition onto your single column. Go into your condition and add here condition, drop down here value, select code and put here function after return command from a reference data. Here will be loop data and here will be ID of loop, and now you can access your data. As you know, to access here data, it will be just array. For access single cell, we'll need to put here index of element. If I want to access a status column, so I'll put here 3 and now put here condition. Like if it's process, then go for condition. If you wanna otherwise move on, then you will need to connect your fallback with the loop break, and here in a node of path you can move for your condition. If the value of status will be processed, I want to open here new tab, so I'll put here new tab and connect with the workflow here URL of page. As you know, our current criteria doesn't match with the condition, so it will test first time. Even after get a done status, it will not do anything. But if I'll change here status value process, and now I'll test on test, when you get a value of process, then open here new tab for Google. That was a major reason why you should understand core of loop with the condition. One another thing about when you go here in a loop data, you can see here maximum to loop. Here will be a maximum number index where it will be go. Here in a start from indexing will be by default 0. You can start from 1 if you want to keep header of your sheet. There's a major reason why we'll choose start from index. I hope you understand core of loop, how to put a parameter of maximum data to loop and put an index from where it will be start a loop.